Did you know that you could make an extra $750 per week? And it's stupid easy. And the best part is you could do it all right from your computer. Let me show you how. First, go to apexfocusgroup.com. Apex Focus Group will literally pay you for your opinion. They're looking for focus group participants and are willing to pay up to $750 per week. And you can be paid for 5 to 10 hours of your spare time per week. The best part is that no experience is required. Most of the group studies are online too, and they have to do with any of these topics here. All you need is a smartphone or a computer and be able to read, understand, and follow oral and written instructions. To apply, just head to the top and click Focus Groups. There's a ton that you can apply to. Just make sure you meet the qualifications and hit the sign up. If you want to know how I make 5 figures per month passively from home, make sure to save this video and check out my profile for my favorite side hustle.